Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Vankush again. So in the last video I had covered create, configure and manage users. On this video I will cover this part, create, configure and manage groups. So let me start. So now I have already created two users, user 1 and user 2. So let me create two groups, and I will create security groups. And here the security groups, like these are used to give group members access to application resources and add license. And in Microsoft 365 group, it is used for collaboration, giving members access to a shared mailbox, calendar, file, SharePoint, etc. And here group members can be only users, but in security groups, group member can be user, devices, service principal, and other groups. So this is a difference. So I will select this security type for the group, and regarding the group name, I will select it here like marketing group name. Okay. I think I already have this group. Yeah, that is why it's not giving me the option. Like this is the marketing I already have. So let me give a new name. Let me type it here, sales. And in group description, I will type sales members. And currently I have only the assigned. I have told you, like in membership type, I can use assigned or dynamic. Assigned is for manual, dynamic is for automatic. For us, currently I have only this type because this type is only available because I am using the free plan. If I have Microsoft P1, P2 Entra ID plans, then I will have the other option also, that is dynamic. So here I can select the members, or like owner. Owner, let me select myself. Member, I will select user 1. Then I can click on create. Now let me refresh the page. So now if I will go here, I can see there are 3 groups, and if I click on marketing, and the owner for marketing is this, and if I will click on members, the member is user 2. Now let me discuss about group memberships. Now if I want to add a membership to this group, I have to click on here. I can select anyone, like let me select sales. So now this group marketing group has the membership of sales group also. And if I have to remove the membership, I have to select here, then click on remove. So this way we can create a group and add members, plus we can also add memberships. Now, if I have to remove any member from any groups, so let me select sales. This is the member, and I want to remove this member from my group. So I have to select here, and I can click on remove. And if I will see here, it had the member has been removed. And same with owner, I can also remove the owner of this group. But here we can see the group must have at least one owner. So we can't able to remove the owner. We can remove the members, but we can't remove the owner. That is why I have shown you this thing. But in members, we can remove and add members. And if I click on here, add members, I can select like user 1, user 2. Now the users has been added. And if I have to like delete the groups, so what I have to do, I have to just select here, then click on delete. So in this way, I can able to delete the group. So now I have told you, like if I have the P1 or P2 license, then I can add the dynamic group the like membership type, I can use the dynamic, and in that case I can also create the rules. So in order to create the rule, if I have the dynamic membership, then it will show up here dynamic membership rules in the under all groups. So it will show this option. So here if I will click on this dynamic rule option, then I can add configure rules, add expression, or get custom extension properties. I can do anything, and this is the syntax. So this way I can like create a expression and add rules, and also I can update an existing rule in the same way. So that's all for the group, and thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.